Why do I feel headache, dry throat, and rapid heartbeats after using lipid? Well, some people have these symptoms when they first start using cold laser treatments because some of them are more sensitive to laser and their body has become accustomed to the laser light. Some people have got very poor microcirculation. Now, when MiraMate light pad starts doing its magic, then there's an increase in blood flow, and any change in your body's functions can be mirrored by the heartbeat change or headaches or some other ways. When the flow increases, there's a change in your body. And so, of course, there'll be a change in the way that your body feels. And different people feel these effects in differing ways. If you do have any sort of symptoms, they can be effectively alleviated by drinking water, because water helps flush any sort of toxins out of your body. It also helps to decrease the viscosity of your blood, and it's basically a real good idea to do anyway. Now, there are very few people who are allergic to laser light, but some are, and they can start developing local rashes or edema. People like this, it's best not to use laser light, but if they do have rashes, the rashes will just go on their own accord after 1 or 2 days. It's very rare.